aura pelakunya kuat banget. Palak kau, aku si pernah Serap mana? Kucing. Bodoh. Tunoi bodoh. Hello. Suka hati aku lah. Aku nak orang keluar. Tapi dari aku pun live tu keluar gitaran. From 6. Kita from 6. Kami kita tu Ira. Siapa kita? Kami si kenal. Kejap lagi kemas. Sorry, apa maksud shalom? Shalom is macam assalamualaikum. Ambil kau. Shalom is macam assalamualaikum. Orang jenis doa orang kucing. Apa hal kau? Tekak kak. Kita dia cucing nak masa tu. Nang susah jumpa ke jenis ni. Apa bodoh? Off day. 11.40 aku end live. Stress aku nak kat tarang tu. Aku minta view tu. Slide pembentangan dalam bentuk PDF. Palak kau PDF memang nak mula dalamnya. Ih. Dah mula dalam gambar tu. Yo, last minute piece daripada dah lagi tu perlu submit. Pautan saja, make sure pautan dapat diakses, tak perlu upload video dalam muka form. Saya pembelajaran dalam PDF saja, format lain tidak diterima. Thank you atas kerjasama. What does this mean? Then we don't need to use this Canva anymore. And then how about the Canva that we have been provided? Second aku nak pola dalam PDF lagi. Dalam PDF tu susah nak dipola. Heish. Oh, assignment. Santai kami untuk pergi lepak je. Palak kau, esok aku dah pertandingan kepada hal kau. Apa maksud tu? So, Canva tu reject. Macam ni lah. Palak kau pun nak guna ChatGPT. We have to use our own knowledge because we have to use our own knowledge. If we stand on the ChatGPT, do you know all of it? Do you know how to explain it more details? Kalau orang tanya soalan, what if someone asks you the question? Do you know how it is being provided? Blah 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 blah. And then kau nak explain, kau si tahu, kau stuck. Segala why you stand on ChatGPT. So that's why we were required to not use ChatGPT sikit, sangat. We were required to use our own knowledge. Faham? Kau Stevenus, kau tampar lah. Kau berapa kali kau nak marah macam mana nampak macam tu nampak? Kan tadi kau marah macam ni ya? Kau sial kau tu. Kau English. It doesn't mean that you fail English. You have to like, okay, as for me, how do I improve my English? Sebab because I want to be a TESOL teachers, right? That which is teaching English as a second language. So I oftenly using, if I watching a movie, I will open the subtitle which is required in English, so I will know how to explain it, know how to know the words that have been required in the subtitle. So that's how I improve myself. And on at my own family, semua English native, semua cakap English. That's why. Ya, memanglah edit, tapi kau faham sih apa yang daripada ChatGPT ya? Ya, dia tanya aku. Do you even understand what the ChatGPT is have been require you the answer? Dia dah beri answer, kayak kau perlu faham lagi answer ya. Kayak kau perlu explain lagi more detail. Siapa bakal hai mantan, tiba-tiba hai mantan. Bulu kening Ori. Siapa tu? Kawan Zila kau. Aku bisa kenal orang. Keluar lagi. Apa hal tu? Aku nak habis live. Okay, bye guys. Dah 11.40. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.